Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss key components of rational agents in AI, that is one of the most important for all college level students. You will definitely get one or two questions in your examination from this particular topic. So now let's just start the session. So as students in previous lectures, we have already discussed about rational agents. So rational agents in AI are a system that is basically designed to perceive its environment, process the information, and they can also take decisions. They can also take actions to achieve specific goals in an optimal manner. And to do all these tasks, some key components helps them. These components includes perception, that is called memory or sensors. Another is decision making, that is agent's brain. Learning, that is called adaptive component. Actuation is called effectors. Knowledge base is the information repository. Goal setting and utility function. And last point is planning and problem solving module. So we will discuss all these points in detail with some real life examples. All right. So first we have is sensors. So sensors allow the agents to perceive information about its environment, which could include data from data from cameras, data from microphones, and another input sources. The purpose of sensors is to gather real-time information to understand the current state of the environment. All right. So students, in rational agents, perception or sensors is a process through which the agents gather information about its environment. We have already discussed it, right? The perception component is crucial as it enables the agent to make informed decision. I am repeating the statement because it is very important. The sensors or the perception component is crucial as it enables the agent to make informed decisions just by building a model of the current state of the environment. Some key aspects of sensor in rational agents include data collection and sensing. As I have told you, it can collect data from camera, microphone, and other input sources. So data collection and sensing is its keyword. All right. Other than these cameras, microphones, sensors can collect raw data from environment, which may include auditory, tactile, and another form of inputs. Another is the environment interpretations. After gathering the raw data, agent processes this information to interpret meaningful environmental factors. Okay, meaningful environmental factors, and its purpose is actionable. It is structured representation of the raw data that we have collected in previous aspect. Other than the key aspects, we have some different types of sensors as well. The first type of sensor is the visual sensor. Visual sensors include cameras. In autonomous vehicles, we have cameras included. That is the example or type of visual sensor. Another is audio sensor. Audio sensor is your microphone. It can capture sound which can be analyzed for speech recognition and environmental sound as in digital assistants. Another type of sensors include temperature, humidity, and pressure sensors. All right. So this was the first key component, that is perception or sensors. Another is decision making, or also known as agent's brain. So students, this particular component is responsible for making choices based on perceived environment that agent's knowledge and its goals. Its purpose is basically to determine the best course of action by evaluating possible choices and predicting their outcomes. That is the decision making key component. For example, a playing agent. We all play chess, we all play Ludo with computers, right? A chess playing agent uses decision making to choose moves that maximize its chances of winning. All right, so this is done only with the help of decision making, that is the agent's brain. Another is learning or adaptive component. So students, the ability to improve performance over time by adapting to new information and updating knowledge or strategies. Its purpose is to enhance agents' effectiveness and adaptability in changing environments. Another is actuation or effectors. So the effectors are the mechanisms by which the agent interacts with and influence its environment. I'm repeating the effectors. As its name implies, these are the mechanisms by which the agent interacts with and influences its environment, and its purpose is to carry out the chosen action to achieve the desired outcome. All right. Another is knowledge base. So it is called information repository, as its name implies, a store of knowledge that includes information. It can also include rules, prior experiences relevant to the agent's goals. All right, and its purpose is to provide context and historical data that support informed decision making. Another key component is knowledge base, that is information repository. Okay, we have discussed this, right? Another is goal setting and utility function. So here the goals are the objectives of the agents that aims to achieve, while a utility function quantifies the desirability of different outcomes, and its purpose is to guide the agent's behavior. Remember this point, this is very important. Goal setting and utility functions aim is to guide the agent's behavior towards achieving optimal outcomes according to defined metrics. For example, in a game playing agent, the goal may be a maximized score, while a utility function could help evaluate moves based on their probability of success. We have discussed utility based agents in previous lecture in detail. If you haven't watched that lecture, you can check the description box. You will get link there. Okay. Last key point is planning and problem solving modules. So a component that formulates a sequence of actions. Basically, it helps us to achieve a set goals, often using some algorithms to generate and evaluate the pre-planned or potential plan. And its purpose is to efficiently organize actions over time, considering constraints and uncertainties. So these are the components. I have shared with you their working, their purpose, and some real life examples. So all these key components are very important for your examination. So thank you so much everyone for watching this session, and all the best for your examinations.